In today's video, I will take you to visit the constant temperature workshop of our factory. In the world of grinding wheel production, precision and consistency are paramount. That's why our temperature control workshop plays a pivotal role in ensuring the excellence of our products. The process of making grinding wheels involves the use of high temperature, which, if not controlled, can lead to variations in the quality of the final product. Fluctuation temperature can cause materials to expand or contract, impacting the condition of the wheel, consequently and its performance. By maintaining a consistent temperature in our workshop, we ensure the materials used for manufacturing grinding wheels remain consistent, resulting in a more uniform and effective product. Our temperature controlled workshop ensures the consistent production of high-quality grinding wheels, meeting the demands of our valued customers. Contact us today to elevate your grinding performance.